everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, and I am at a customer's location. We're looking at a 32 by 56 Jeffersonville, and this baby turned out to be quite the beauty. They've added a 24 by 24 garage on the side, and this may look familiar because this is the Mobile Home Mama's house. It's finally finished. We do have some more dirt work to do here, but as far as the home goes, we've got everything pretty much finished. So let's dive right in. On the exterior, we've done lineal trims, flint siding, and we added this X8 dormer in the front. So we've got some white shake around the door with a Craftsman 6-window door right there. And then on the other end of the home, we added an X11 dormer with shake around that as well. So what I wanted to do was make sure that I proportionately put dormers throughout the house. I knew I was going to have a garage on the end that would showcase this white door. So I've got some white down there, white in the middle, and white on the end. And it turned out very, very lovely. All right, headed inside the Jeffersonville. It's going to be a wide open space here. Living room. We've got drywall in this home. Added a ceiling fan in the living room as well. TV wall brace up on the TV. And I did upgrade the carpet all the way to the best carpet you can get because I love how it feels in my toes. I also added this entry closet because here in Indiana we get quite a bit of snow. So I wanted to have a place for coats, sweepers, shoes, boots, all the good stuff that you need in Indiana. Now the living room is wide open to the kitchen. With the dining right beside, let's talk some colors. I've got Thunder on the floor, Lysola on the island with some rounded edging, Timberwolf hardwood on the island, and then jumping over here to the outskirts of the kitchen, Aluma marble on this countertop, east side on the backsplash, hardwood white on these cabinets with black handles everywhere. I added the drywall package, so we've got drawers over doors, added a couple of pot pan drawers, cabinets to the ceiling. And in the drywall package, you're also going to have a valance board above the sink and then the style trim at the top. It's got a built-in bookcase here in the Jeffersonville. Now, I've got to explain this a little bit. The Jeffersonville is known for an extremely large pantry. Normally, the pantry is going to go all the way in and down here and then come out the other side. However, I didn't need that much food in my house. So I opted to do the optional kitchen, which gives us a coffee bar here and adds in that bookcase. If you choose not to do that, this is where the pantry would come out, and then this would be a smaller version of this coffee bar. For me, this was perfect. Added some stem lights over the island. And this is the largest island that Champion makes. This will seat 4. I also added the French door refrigerator with a stainless steel appliance package. Here we can see a farm sink, mini blinds as well. Here's the dining room. Also part of the drywall package is going to be valance boards in the living area. You can see that in the living room. And I can't say enough that these fans, these new ceiling fans this year, are super modern and industrial. You can control everything right over here, on, off, and the speed of the fan. I also added dimmer switches in a lot of different places, and I'm so glad that I did. Because late at night, maybe you don't want it so bright. And by the way, let me tell you guys, these stem lights put out a lot of light. So dimmers are great. Heading down the hallway here, we're gonna see bedroom number 2. Classic 6-year-old little boy room. He's a gamer. Bedroom number 3. Same size as bedroom number 2. Ceiling fans in all the rooms. Bath number 2. We've got an extended vanity with the bank of drawers. Continued with the east side in the bathroom. Framed out mirrors, also part of the drywall package. 2-arm vanity lights, also part of the drywall package. 019 over the commode linen, also part of the drywall package. And in here, my little guy takes baths, so I wanted him to have a larger bathtub. So this is the garden tub, and I paired that with a shower wand. Heading back towards the end of the home, this is the utility room. And I knew I was gonna need a water softener, so I decided to stack my washer and dryer. And by the way, when you go shopping for these, they're just as, this pricing is about the same as the side-by-side. And then over here, I tucked in the water softener. Very good. So, plenty of space in this utility room. And then heading out the side door, you'll see a 24 by 24 garage. Hot water heater furnace. Very, very lovely home, and it's laid out perfectly as Champion always does. Heading back into the primary bedroom. Very large, spacious bedroom. I would say this is ended up being about a 16 by 15. Did another TV wall brace back there. I don't know if I'll ever use that, but I thought maybe in the future if I lose my vision or something and I need a big TV. Here's the walk-in closet. So this is what happens when you change that pantry into a smaller pantry. This is where the space goes. So normally this part right here is gonna be that pantry. So if you're a lady and you have more clothes than shoes, this is the way to go. Heading right into the ensuite for the master bath. Now normally this is a linen closet, but I wanted to add a deck tub and then an extended vanity here. So I switched out the vanity to give me 2 banks of drawers. And then of course the framed mirrors. We already saw those. And then added an agile shower back here. Now I just got word yesterday that agile shower is being discontinued, but our replacement is super sharp. You guys will see that very soon, I'm sure. All right, so there you have it. This is the 32 by 56 Jeffersonville with a 24 by 24 attached garage. And I should mention that this home is on the clearance page right now. This month only for $96, starting at $96. So if you're out there and you've been looking at homes and they're costing a lot of money or they need a lot of work, give me a call. Come visit. Let's talk about it. Let's design it on paper and see if we can save you some money. As always, thanks for watching.